Here's a remake of a video that I did last year where I talked about why you shouldn't hook a drain up to a toilet vent or other vents. And in the video I showed you the reason why, but I never showed you how you could fix it. So in this video I'm going to provide you with a little more information about that. And if you have a wet vent, you might be able to hook the sink up to that or other fixtures, but you'll have to check with your local building codes to find out more about that. But if you have a dry vent, then the angle of that vent needs to be more than 45 degrees. So again, this is a dry vent for the toilet and one way to do it. Another way you can do it is to come straight off of the pipe. So again, we're more than 45 degrees off of the center line of the pipe. And this would be considered the drain here, and the vent would start right here going up. So if I wanted to add a sink, I could change the plumbing to where I'm coming off of here horizontally. And if I'm connecting to a toilet, this pipe is going to need to be 2 inches. If you're connecting to other fixtures, you're going to need to check other building codes I'm not going to be providing you with in this video. And you can see here, since the pipe is 2 inches and this pipe is 4 inches, and it's intersecting in the middle, then almost all of the water flushing out of the toilet is going to be going in this direction. It's probably not going to be coming back in to this area here. However, if it does, you have a sink. You're going to be able to wash the vent out so that you won't be getting any debris in the vent or this drain area. So again, the vent here starts right here and then goes up. This section right here is going to be the wet vent section. And this area from here up is going to be considered a dry vent section. And again, this is one way to do it. Another way would be to use 2 dry vents. So we're going to have a dry vent here along with a dry vent here. And this vent is going to be for the toilet. This vent is going to be for the sink. And most plumbers come in horizontally here again. And when I say horizontally, this pipe will slope at 1/4 inch per foot to allow for the water to drain through the plumbing system to the sewer or the septic tank. However, the vertical pipes can be at a 90-degree angle there or plumb. And since this is the end of the plumbing line, you're probably going to need a clean out here. You won't need a clean out for your sink because you can take the sink trap apart. You can disconnect it if you need to clear a clog. And again, with this method here, you can see where the water coming out of the toilet is probably never going to enter this section of the vent. However, if it does, it will usually get washed out when you're using the sink and the water is flowing in this direction. And hopefully this helps. If it does, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.